Now, first off, to get started with Lighttouch, we need to install it, and we also need to install Torchbear. Installing Torchbear. To install Torchbear, we must go to its repository in GitHub. It belongs to the Found Powders organization in GitHub. In here, we can find the source code and download instructions of Torchbear. In order to install Torchbear, we must run the corresponding command in the terminal. If you are using a Windows computer, you will have to run the first command here. And if you are using a Mac OS or a Linux-based distribution, you will have to run the second command here with using admin permissions. In my case, I will use the second command since I'm using Ubuntu. Here you can see how to run the command in the terminal. I won't run it since I already have Torchbear installed. Installing Lighttouch. When you have successfully installed Torchbear, installing Lighttouch is really easy and is done by using the dependency manager of Torchbear, Machu Picchu. So in order to install Lighttouch, we run the following command: np install Lighttouch. Again, here you can see me putting the command in the console, but I won't run it since I already have Lighttouch installed. And once all of this process is completed, you will have successfully installed both Torchbear and Lighttouch, and you will be ready to start with a Lighttouch project.